Now, Mangesh Teli says, as a long-term investor, I have holdings in large cap funds for quite some years now, and I intend to build a corpus. But I'm told that the market will soon see a big fall due to COVID and the presidential election. What could be the right course of action, profit booking or doing nothing?
Well, at any given point in time in markets, there would be reasons to worry about. There would be reasons to sit on the fence. There is COVID. There are fiscal constraints. There is an overhang of the strained Indo-China relationships, and there would be more reasons that would unfold as we go along. So at any given point of time, you could have several reasons to worry about and not invest. But as I said as I said earlier, these are all uncontrollables. You should instead focus on what's in your hand, which is your time horizon, your risk appetite. And if these things are conducive to equity investing, then just keep investing through the ups and downs of the market. Just plan your exit better. Just make sure that you start withdrawing your money about a year and a half to 2 years in advance of when you need the money. But otherwise, just don't worry too much about these factors. In fact, the recent example is from the month of March, when the markets witnessed a sharp and sudden fall, and some investors would have been tempted to withdraw from the markets, anticipating more fall at that time. Now, had they done that, they would have ended up participating on the downside of the market, but not on the upside. So they would have suffered on two accounts. So avoid doing all that. Just stay invested through the thick and thin of the market as long as you have the time by your side. And all these issues get resolved by themselves. And over a long investment horizon, more likely that you would end up earning better than any fixed income alternatives.